Bonjour, et bienvenue sur ma chaîne k.k.m language and vocabulary. Je suis Komal Mishra. Hi guys, welcome to my channel k.k.m language and vocabulary. I am Komal Mishra and in this video I am gonna teach you les mots de l'année en français, which mean months of the year in French. Continue watching this video, and guys, if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon because you guys don't want to miss my any video. So let's start. First month of the year is Janvier. Janvier. Second one, February. February. Then Mars. Mars. Avril. Avril. May. Juin. Juin. Juillet. Juillet. Août. Août. Septembre. Octobre. November. And the last, December. Okay, now you guys have to repeat after me. Janvier. Janvier. February. February. Mars. Mars. Avril. Avril. May. May. Same as in English, but the difference of letters, the last letter. In French, the last letter in May is I, and in English, the last letter in May is Y. Now next one, Juin. Juin. Juillet. Juillet. Août. Août. Septembre. Septembre. Octobre. Octobre. Novembre. November. And the last, December. December. Okay guys, let's compare English to the French. Do you understand what I said? No, don't worry, continue watching. If you guys notice that in English it's January and in French it's Janvier. Janvier. First three letters are same. And in the next month, February. February. Here also the three letters are same. Okay, let's see the next one. March. Mars. March. Mars. Here also the first three letters are same. Okay, next one. Avril. Avril and April. April, Avril. Avril. Make sure you have to pronounce it. Avril, not Avril. It's not Avril, it's Avril. Okay, next month is May. May. Hey, it's similar to English, but the difference of spelling, yeah. M-A-I, M-A-Y. Okay, next one, Juin. Juin. It's little bit difficult, but if you guys will practice more and more, then you guys will rock on. Next one, Juillet. Juillet. July. Juillet. August. Out. Out. It's also a little bit difficult. Next, September. 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 Hey, same na, but only different of our E in the last. September. 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 Here we go. October. 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 Oc, not ok. Okay. Next one, November. 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 And the last, December, which is the song. Here also only difference of RE. December, the song. Okay guys, if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe it. And if you guys have already subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to like my video. And also write down on the comment box given below that how's my today's video. And let me know in the comment box given below that on what topic you want my next video. Okay, we will see you on the next time. Salute!